Okay, this is 2015 Math Method exam paper 1, and let's start from question 1. And question 1 asks you to find the derivative of two functions, which the first question asks you to find the derivative of the function y equal to 5x plus 1 and the power of 7. So clearly we need to use the chain rule. So apply the chain rule, we need first to define u equal to what's inside the bracket, 5x plus 1. And so which means the function y becomes equal to u and the power of 7. Now write down the chain rule, dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. So what's dy du? It's differentiate of this function respect to u. So which we get 7 u and the power of 6. And times the derivative of du dx, the function u, which is du dx, is equal to 5. Now we get 5 times 7, 35, u and the power of 6. Since we assumed u is equal to 5x plus 1, so we can just substitute back 5x plus 1. Okay, so this is the derivative of the function, and that's the solution. And now let's start from question B. Question B, find the derivative of function fx equals to log x to the base e over x squared. And finding this function, so we need to actually, sorry, I just need to adjust this. And so we need to actually use the quotient rule. So before using the quotient rule, we need to define gx and hx. So the gx will be the numerator of this fraction, which is log x to the base e. And so which hx will be x squared. Now we need to find the derivative of these two functions separately. So the derivative of gx is equal to 1 over x. So this is the log to the base e. And the derivative of hx will be 2x. Alright, and we found everything we need. Now we can just write down the quotient rule. So if fx equal to gx over hx, then the derivative of the function is equal to the derivative of gx times hx minus the derivative of hx times gx and over hx squared. Okay, since we found everything here, so this I already found everything here, we just substitute into this expression. So gx is log x to the base e. Sorry, it should be the derivative of gx. And so the derivative of the function gx is 1 over x, and then times hx is x squared, and take away the derivative of hx is 2x, and times gx is log x to the base e, and over hx is x squared, so it becomes x and the power 4. Now we can simplify this. X squared 1 over x becomes x, and minus 2x log log x to the base e over x and power 4. And so all the terms in the numerator and the denominator has the common factor x, so which means we can simplify further. So it becomes 1 minus 2 log x to the base e over x and the power 3. So that's the derivative of this function fx. And question 4. Next question. Evaluate the derivative of this function when x is equal to 1. So basically, after we found the derivative of the function fx, we can just substitute into this derivative. So since the derivative of fx is equal to 1 minus 2 log x to the base e over x cubed, and finding the derivative of the function when x is equal to 1 is substitute the x equal to 1 into this derivative. So it's equal to 1 minus 2 times log 1 to the base e over x cubed becomes 1 and the power 3. Let's adjust to this. So log 1 to the base e is what? It's just 0. So which means this on the numerator is become 1 minus 0 over 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1 over 1. It's just 1. Okay. So that's answered the first question. Now the next video will start from the question 2. Thank you.